To make your heat transfer vinyl designs literally pop out, Siser has just the material unlike any other they've done. Introducing EasyPuff HTV, offered in plenty of familiar colors and heightens cut designs in a special way. As soon as it's applied on a fabric item, EasyPuff vinyl will puff up with a rounded and textured 3D look. As a way of adding depth to bold design elements like letters, thick outlines, and similar shapes, EasyPuff is true to its name and only requires a low temperature to be applied. By supporting cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends, this material is not only ready for garments, but just about any other fabric items like backpacks and towels. As with any other HTV, first is to create or import your design to your vinyl cutter software. Before finishing it, be sure to keep your item size in mind to scale the design properly. While it's indeed possible to prepare a knockout design with EasyPuff HTV, this material must be applied as the final layer when used together with any others. Keep in mind that repressing EasyPuff will result in a permanent flattening of any applied design with this material. Once your design is ready, you may load the EasyPuff sheets or roll to your cutter. For Silhouette Cameo 4 users, draw a weed box around the overall design, then click the Send tab to set the following: material to heat transfer smooth, blade depth to 3, force to 10, and speed to 8. To be sure everything cuts well, we always recommend running a test cut first for any new HTV. With the EasyPuff HTV now cut with your shapes, be sure to trim and weed each layer out accordingly for application. Now turn on your heat press and set it to 15 seconds at 280 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. Due to EasyPuff HTV's firm pressure requirement, it won't be possible to apply it with a home iron or similar heating device. Once your press reaches temperature, simply bring your fabric item to the lower platen, then your cut design on top where desired. Then cover both with a protective sheet and press. After 15 seconds, open your machine and peel the EasyPuff HTV carrier sheet while it's still hot. As you can see, the EasyPuff design has gone from flat to rounded upon application. To learn more about Siser HTV, be sure to check out our YouTube channel or visit us at heatpressnation.com.